Hi, today I'm part of XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to sounds and vibration section. If you want to change notifications, ringtone or alarm sound, we should click here only on one from these available sections and then just switch it to another one. Just to change the volume of the meter, ringtone and alarm, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these volume panels. To change the sound assistant settings, we should click on this section, and if you want to adjust media sound in multiple apps or to use multiple audio sources or to allow speaker sound, we should use the switchers. So just to turn on or turn off these options, we should click on the switchers. Let's go back. If you want to activate the silent mode and to silence media in silent mode, we should make it here just by using the switchers. By the same way, we should turn on or click on the switcher to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, to set the schedule, to use it when device is locked, to notify about the calls and about the repeated calls. In vibration settings, we can here use the vibration for calls on vibration in silent mode, and to change the haptic feedback we should use the switcher, and if you want to change the level you should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panel. And in additional settings, we can change here turn on or turn off the dial buttons, tap sounds, lock unlock sounds, taking screenshot sounds, uninstalling, deleting item sounds, the charger sounds and the startup sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.